When programming a CNC 2-axis lathe, the location of the tip of the tool relative to the part 0 is the main concern. On a lathe, the center of the spindle is always the X0 location. The Z0 can be anywhere along the part or work holding device, with one of the more common locations being the front of the part, as shown here. Common part 0 locations will be discussed in a later video. Lathes where the tool post and cutting tool are on the operator's side, the tool tip will always be in quadrant 3 or 4, making all X values or part diameters negative. The only time X should be coded as a positive value is during end facing, to take the tool tip slightly past the part center, or when parting off, although the part will typically fall before the tool tip reaches the center. New coders often find it awkward to code the part diameters, the X values, as negative. Because of this, many machine tool builders allow a parameter to be set, which reverses the X's. Since most machines have parameters which allow changes in their behavior, it is wise to familiarize yourself with any machine that is new to you before running your first program. Lathes where the tool turret and the cutting tools are opposite the operator, such as the one shown here, will be coded mainly in quadrants 1 and 2, with the exception being facing and parting off. As noted earlier, the X0 is the center of the spindle, which should always be the center of the part. The X-axis tool position will control the part's diameter, and Z controls the part's length. Regardless of the side the tool is on, all drills, taps, and reamers will be coded at X0, as they must machine the hole on center. For these tools, it's wise to place an indicator on the chuck and dial in the cutting tool to ensure it is aligned with the center of the spindle. This will be demonstrated in a later video. In the next video, the machine home position will be explained. Thanks for watching.